Alright, I'm in the middle of nowhere, doing the Annapurna Circuit right now. I'm approximately 3,800 meters above the sea level. It's a really strange weather today. It was snowing like crazy. Now it's very misty, but at the same time the sun is coming up from time to time, so it's hot and cold at the same time. So you feel cold, but then you feel those rays of sun from time to time. But yeah, it's great. I love it. You know, I'm trying to get to Manang today. The visibility is very bad, but fortunately, I asked some local people whether this is the right path, and they confirmed that this is the one. So yeah, another 3 hours of walk. Most probably, it's a bit slippery, so you gotta be careful here on those cliffs. Definitely don't want to fall down there. But yeah, I can feel the altitude a little bit, especially when I go up. Before we had like approximately 450 meter ascent vertically without any break, which translates to approximately 4.5-5 kilometers of walking, which was really tough. I'm a pretty fit guy. I can do 3-hour Muay Thai sessions and can run a ton and do many different things, but this is different. At this altitude, everything feels in a totally different way. You can already feel the lack of oxygen. So yeah, the plan is to go to Manang, stay there for maybe 2 nights, do a day trip to high camp, 4,500 meters, or take 2 days and go to Tilicho Lake. Not sure if I pronounced it well, but Tilicho Lake is on 4,900 meters, so can go there as well. That one would require 2 days and 2 to 3 days actually, and I'm not sure if it's possible to do it now. It's been snowing like crazy, so the path may be actually closed, but hey, whatever happens, it's gonna be great. I honestly believe that every experience in life leads to something good. Even if I were to fall down there, would probably a scary feeling to be there, but ultimately probably leads to something good in my life, like appreciation for life, for health. Anyway, can't even talk anymore. I'm really tired. See Polish flags everywhere, and here we go. Have a sign to Nawal. Nawal is, as far as I remember, 3.7, 3.8 K above the sea level, so not too bad. And then from there, straight road to Manang. It's gonna be cool. Oops, my gimbal is getting a bit it's going crazy. Don't know why, maybe the altitude. Heard that electronics go nuts when you go above certain altitude, but last time when I went to almost 6,000 meters, I didn't take any electronics, so I have no idea. But yeah, my gimbal is playing, you can probably see it now. I mean, yeah, you can't see it. It's playing weird tricks. Whew. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this video, pack it up, and get going.